To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on the What's on Your Mind field. On the next screen that appears, select Imagine with AI. You will then see some previously generated images that you can use if you would like. If you want to generate a new image, enter a description next to Imagine. Then tap the blue arrow. Meta AI will respond based on your query. It's currently trained only in English, so responses may be less accurate in other languages. Swipe left to see more results. Tap on the image you want to use. You can now continue as usual, including adding more images, tagging friends, using stickers, and more. And finally, tap the Post button from the top right corner. Your post has been shared successfully. So in this way, you can use Imagine with AI to generate images on Facebook.